Hello and welcome back again from Nürburgring. Yeah, nice weather today, absolutely nice, no clouds in the air, full sunshine, and we have I think 25 degrees. It's okay, but I think later it will be a little bit hotter, but it's okay. I think it will be okay. Yeah, Mégane is running again, and I don't know, every content I start with the Mégane has problem, and no, I end with the Mégane has problem, and with the new content I start again with Mégane running again. Yeah, it was the classic issue of the car. This part, I don't know what is the name, I can't remember me, I show you to you guys here. Yeah, this part is an issue of Mégane, and I changed it so many times, and I can't remember me how many times I changed it now. I don't know, really I don't know. But yeah, it is an old car, and it's getting older and older and older, and we drive here at Nürburgring, and yeah, it's a classical issue. Better this than a engine blow up or something like this, or expensive parts, and I don't know, then better this. Yeah, thank you to Renhärte, he fixed the car. Thank you very much, Renhärte. And today I could wash the car. Yeah, in Germany you can't wash your car on Sundays. Yeah, and now I have time, and I really would wash it, but the German government says no washing cars on Sundays. Yeah, look at this, how dirty. Look at this, guys. It's so absolutely dirty. Shame on me, really shame on me. Yeah, I'm sorry, really I'm sorry. I'm today not alone. I have some Turkish guys with me. I picked the guys up from my home, and the guys studying here in Germany, these three guys, and they come from Istanbul and from Izmir, and they're studying here, and yeah, I wish them really a lot of luck to for a good future, and guys, keep it up. So yeah, I think we will drive now 1-2 laps, and then I go to change my tires. I have some new tires for the front axle, and sponsored from Wagner Tuning. Wagner Tuning, thank you very, very much. Really, it's absolutely insane to sponsoring me, and yeah guys, I love you. And if you guys want to save 10% discount for Wagner Intercooler, write me a DM in Instagram, and you can save now 10% discount for your next intercooler from Wagner Tuning. And I think at days like this, warm, you will need a good intercooler, guys.
Oh yes.
Made in Germany. So we go to the track, and then we go to Devilsteiner and look what's going on there. So yeah, I was a little bit too fast with, yeah, Mégane is running good. No, Mégane is not running good. Again, issue on the car. It comes this failure. Wait a moment please. This, check injection. Yeah, check injection. I don't know. It can be this, it can be other sensor, I don't know. I checked all the sensors, everything is tight. I don't know, maybe the lambda sensor, I don't know. Maybe I can find someone who can read the codes out, and we can see more what is the issue now. Yeah, the track is empty, but everywhere is yellow. Everywhere is yellow. Even the track is empty. It's empty, but everywhere is yellow. I don't know what people doing, or how can this happen? I don't know. Yeah, the car park is a little bit empty. I think everyone is going to eat something, and I will go to Alibaba now because I'm so hungry. I pick up the guys, they're waiting for me in the Mercedes, and we go first something eat at Alibaba, and then I come again here, make a walk around through the car park, and we look what cars are here. Some nice cars or some not so nice cars, we will see. So we go now to eat something, and see you later, guys. before I forget, I changed the tires on my front axle, and guys, it's like it's a difference like day and night. So much grip, so much grip. The other tires was nearly finished, and you can drive, you can have fun, but if you drive a little bit faster, the car understeers so much. And now with the new tires, so much grip, so much grip. I love it, I love it. It's like day and night, the difference, like day and night. friends, it's so fucking hot. That's really not normal. The whole track is empty. Really, it's empty because no one drives because it's too hot. Asphalt temperature of 55 degrees and the car is absolutely on limit. I have fresh new CRS on the front axle and it's just under steering, and yeah, it makes no fun, really it makes no fun. I have less power because it's too warm. We have 32 degrees outside and 55 asphalt temperature. That's makes absolutely no sense to drive. And yeah, maybe you can see this or you hear this. You see the whole track is empty. No one drives. No one drives. Yeah. To the problem, it's maybe the N or X sensor. What? Yeah, because it shows me something with the exhaust system, and it can be just a N or X sensor. Yeah, I'm lucky this time. Not expensive part of the car. Okay, so I think make a walk around through the car park. Some interesting cars here, and I'll show you some cars and wait till the Mégane cool down. Now the radiator doesn't running anymore. It's 15 minutes. I'm standing now 15 minutes, and since 15 minutes the radiator is on running. Yeah. Okay, guys. I would say make a walk around and then yeah, we see what we do. Enjoy. So guys, a long day goes to end, and yeah, Mégane is safe and everything is okay. Yeah, today it was really hot. The Mégane was too fast on his limits. The tires also. On my last round I drive, and I don't watch the water temperature. And Valentin, RSTUNE ALSACE, mapped this so if the water temperature goes too up, the car goes in a safety modus, and the ref limiter comes at maybe 5000 RPM or 5500 RPM. Yeah, I'm really happy for this, because I was really on my focus, and if I don't have this feature, maybe the engine was dead, goes to dying or something like this, I don't know. This feature saved the engine, and I'm really happy for this. Thank you, Valentin. And yeah, everything okay, car is okay, and needs wash, really nice wash. Yeah, maybe next time, I hope so. Okay guys, I'm done, really I'm done. It's so hot today. I just want to go to home and take a shower, and I'm really done. Thank you for watching. Let a comment, drop a comment, give a like, and follow my channel. Guys, we see you, thank you for watching, and bye.